Alpha Addison, NPM 2331224. Here I will explain material about operation on fractions and operation on decimals. Operation on fractions. Addition. Addition. To add two fractions, make sure first that the denominators of both fractions are the same. If they are not the same, find an equivalent value for the denominator and then add the two fractions. Here examples, guys. Here examples from operation on fraction addition. Next, subtraction. To subtract two fractions, ensure that the denominators are the same. If they are not the same, find an equivalent value for the denominator and subtract one fraction from the other. Examples here examples, guys. The example from operation on fraction subtraction. Next, multiplication. Multiplications. To multiply two fractions, simply multiply the numerators of one fraction by the numerators of the other fraction and the denominators by the denominators. Here the examples from multiplication, yeah, multiplication, guys. Here the example. Next, operation on fractions. Division. To divide two fractions, flip the second fraction and perform multiplication. In this case, flip the Gaussian fraction and calculate the result of the multiplication. Uh, Here is example from division, guys. Here the example. The next, operation on decimals. Addition and subtraction. Addition and the subtraction of decimal numbers are performed just like regular addition and subtraction. Ensure that the decimal point is in the same place for both numbers before performing the operation. The example, yeah, guys, yeah, the example from addition and subtraction from operation the on decimal from operation on decimal. Here the example. The next multiplication. The multiply decimal numbers, perform multiplication and usual, and then count the total decimal place, the digit after the decimal point. In both numbers, place the decimal point in the result of the multiplication according to the total decimal place count. The example, yeah, guys, yeah. The example from multiplication here. Next, division. To divide decimal numbers, perform division as usual. Count the total decimal place in both numbers and place the decimal point in the result of the division according to the total decimal place count. Here the example division from operation on decimal. Here, guys. That's all from me. Thank you very much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.